Hi, we are Peyton and Robert. We created Uncommon Territory based off the love of traveling, getting out of our comfort zones, and documenting life's greatest adventures. In this episode of Uncommon Territory, Robert and I found ourselves with some free time to explore. Estes Park being a quick road trip away, we packed our bags, said goodbye to Colorado Springs, and booked a stay at the Stanley Hotel.
Hey everybody, we are in Estes Park, Colorado. Oh, Peyton's down there. And we hinted at where we're staying, but we are staying at the Stanley. Oh, it's backwards. The Stanley.
This is a little awkward.
Maybe we'll reverse it in the video just for you. And the Stanley's famous because this is where Stephen King stayed and had the inspiration for the movie or the novel, The Shining.
Let's give you some history facts. Alright everyone, welcome to this video, which is going to be our stay at the Stanley Hotel. This hotel was opened in 1909 by Freeland Stanley. It was opened for higher class citizens and people who are suffering from tuberculosis.
I think Freeland came to Colorado to try to understand if the climate here was going to help with his condition.
It helps people with TB. I guess the
dry air, the warm weather,
the altitude. So it kind of helps people who are almost kind of prone to that wheelchair life. And so he came here for his health, and then he built this. And now we're sleeping in it. It's known, obviously, for Stephen King staying in room 217 here. By himself right before it closed, and that's how he got the inspiration.
With his wife.
With his wife.
In an empty hotel.
To get the idea of writing The Shining, which is this, crazy, one of his best movies, and books, I should say, not movies, his best novel, really, yet. So we are going to show you where we are staying, and take you along for this journey. As you can tell, I'm kind of stuttering over my words because I'm terrified. This is definitely not my pace. That's my pace though. These mountains are absolutely beautiful. And
we can show them where we're staying.
Oh yeah,
we're staying right there. In that creepy attic room.
Alright, let's move and we'll talk about it some more. So we're staying on the 4th floor. Basically they weren't always rooms, it was an attic, and that's where the maids, the children stayed, and they would have a doctor come up, and the doctor would dress up as a cowboy because the kids never saw a cowboy before. So in the room right next to ours is where the cowboy doctor stays. He's very friendly, not out to hurt you. None of the ghosts here are out to hurt us, but definitely kind of very creepy. He's known to kiss women on the heads, move men's wallets, and really just try to take care of you because he's a doctor. But it doesn't make it any less creepy. So that's the room next to us. Our room's good to go, but anything can happen when you're on the 4th floor. So that's it. Alright guys, so we are on the 3rd floor of the Stanley Hotel. Right below us is the 2nd floor, obviously, but this floor is special right below us because it's 217, and that's where Stephen King slept and got the idea to write The Shining, which we all know. So we're gonna show you the door, and let's go.
Look at this place.
So you can book a stay in this room. It's actually the presidential suite here.
Oh, there it is. I don't know what the plank's for, but there it is. That's crazy.
Yep, so that's the room, and this is our weird mirror to make us feel like we're in a horror movie. So yeah, this room, you can only get onto this floor if you have a
room
pass.
key. Let's go through these doors.
Actually, you can't really get to any of the floors unless you really have a room key, technically. But this one especially, because then everyone would be coming and trying to go to that room. So,
creepy. All right, we'll do more of a hotel tour
yeah. So we're gonna go
tonight.
see
Dun, dun, dun.
we're gonna go see the rest of the hotel now and bring you along. And just so you know, like there's always resort tours going on right now, and like we're always a part of a tour.
They were like, we're inside of our room, and then they just like.
I was like, what is that?
Really,
Like,
we heard
what is
people
that?
outside.
And I listened, and it's a freaking tour going outside of a room.
It's not what we wanted. And then there's, oh, here's like the maze.
Alright, we can end it here.
Okay. So there's the hotel, the Paiton. And then right outside is the maze. Oh, there we go. It's obviously not the maze from the movie, but in the movie The Shining, there's
At the end.
a big maze that plays a big part, and they made like a replica maze out front. Do you think
Imagine me like running through this, running away from that guy.
Here's Johnny.
Yeah, so you can see from here, see those little windows up there? That's where we're staying, in the attic.
Oh, like all the way up.
It's a maze, so like this is a dead end.
Oh, we already messed up. Wow, we suck at this. Oh, that's the wrong movie. Oh. What's our goal here? Get to the other side?
Yeah.
Cool. Smell really nice. Look over there. It's not a bad view.
It's freaking Colorado. It can't get better than this. Things on your mind. That's for sure.
Do you want to tell them about your little freak out?
What freak out?
It's still,
Oh, dang it.
it's still very sunny outside and very not scary yet. And Peyton, well, I feel terrible, but you were like almost in tears asking if we could switch rooms. Are we? Oh,
Is this a joke or something?
no.
No,
There-
we totally messed up.
We're back to where we started.
No, I think that we go this way.
Oh yeah, we have to go here probably.
Dude, if I was in a horror movie, I'd be like the first girl to die.
I'll just be like hop in the bushes.
I'd just hide in the bush.
Oh, you would hide in the bush. I would just jump over them and then leave. Oh, he has a violin.
Oh,
So that means we made it halfway. Oh. Dead end. And
you're a ghost, and a ghost will follow you home.
I give you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
They did say this is the Disneyland of paranormal experiences. And I'm like, you know, it's okay. I'll just see Disneyland.
It's not.
I don't need the paranormal experience.
It's not scary here.
Oh. Yeah, we did it.
We do it?
We did it.
We did it. Started from over here, now we're
Started
here.
from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole ghosts are here. I was thinking when we were in the hotel room, like, what about like my house? Like, it's older, right?
Yeah.
What if one day they make it into like a mountain resort, and it's like, yeah, like a family used to live here. Like nothing bad happened. They just lived here. Like here, like kids just lived in the attic, and that's where we're sleeping. They just lived here. So like, yeah, I definitely like quote haunt my house. Like I'm just hanging out there.
It's not scary. Oh, you can probably see a room. You can. It's right there. The second one. That is our room. That is the scary room. And we are just... Look, they're not even connected. No, they're not. They're barely even touching. This was... I don't actually know. It's the United States' largest whiskey collection, but now it's not, and it's Colorado's largest whiskey collection. So, yeah.
This
there
is,
it is.
This is all whiskey.
And then which one? We saw one whiskey that was like $1,400 for a glass.
No, it was like $1,900.
Yeah, it was crazy.
No, that was for a flight or something, and it was from the 50s.
No, it was just one pour.
Seriously? No.
Yeah.
And you know what a whiskey pour looks like, right? Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Super cool to be here though. Like, look at this. It's so like Gatsby.
Yeah, did you hear the music? It's like Gatsby music.
Yeah. Alright, so here we've got the tortellini mac and cheese with some bacon and onion and caramelized onion, which is awesome. And then Robert's got the steak and fries, which are super
They
yummy.
gave me my own little ketchup bottle.
I know, look at that. Yeah, alright, let's eat it.
So we just ate dinner. Was that the Cascades officially?
Yes, it is. At
We
the
had a great
Cascades.
steak and mac and cheese.
Oh my god, literally the best mac and cheese I've ever had.
Yeah, I tried it and I approve of that. I don't like how that glows blue. It's kind of creepy. We're outside. Where there are stairs. So there's this nice like outdoor eating area. Oh, wonderful. I don't like the color that glows. It's kind of creepy. Dude, did that light just turn out?
What light?
It's on tape if it did. I keep seeing a flashing in that room.
They're probably taking pictures.
Yeah, probably.
Next to a waterfall?
That's so funny. We'll have to check back on the tape. Maybe we caught a ghost. Just kidding, there's no ghost here. Not the elevator. Look, it's creepy because there's the original like tower chair style. Okay, press the button.
Original.
It's so creepy. Alright, let's see if it comes right up. Yes, it does. Ew. The fourth floor.
Yeah, so this is like actually history.
Should we show them?
This is like a hand crank.
I think it's the original elevator controls. Should we show them the creepy hole in the ceiling?
No. Well, I'm not gonna look at it, but you can if you want to. But yeah.
Ew, 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 ew. I didn't look, but I filmed it though. Oh my Christ. So many hair dry. Okay, so 4:30 is 55. Or there's a ghost that likes hair drying.
DC Lost. Arthur 6. Just such a pretty hotel.
It is very pretty. Obviously they remodeled it recently because just to make sure. We have a very small, cozy room on the 4th floor. Wait, should we tell them the story? Do they know? So there's four stories in this hotel, and we paid originally for just a base room in the original hotel, but not
on the
haunted rooms.
basement,
That's something
second
you
or
have to pay for.
third floor, like the spirited.
The
room.
spirited room. That's how they put it. And so we show up today, and they say, "Hey, we have extra spirited rooms. Would you like one? Like just free?" Like, Peyton and I hate this stuff. but you have to do it because they offered it. So here we are on the haunted 4th floor, right next to the haunted room. In our little...
But we're respecting it.
We're respecting it. We've been in here for a few hours and
We had a great dinner.
we had a fantastic dinner.
Downstairs. It's a beautiful estate.
It's a beautiful night out.
Yep. I would show you, but it's just dark. So.
It's dark.
All right, give us a little room tour.
So it's small, it's comfy, which is going to be good for the night. If it was a big room with a lot of doors, we'd probably struggle. But you can
like,
see
look,
we're on
Robert's, what, you're 6'2"?
Yeah, like that. And so you walk in our door, and then this is the bed area. You can see the roof is right there. Like, we're in
The attic.
I forget what they call them, but yeah, we're like, that's a window, that's the roof. We're at the top, essentially. But I did show you the hole in the ceiling. We're not at the very top.
There's a crawl space of some kind. And we
so
have
bed.
a fancy bed here.
TV with our fancy air conditioner.
Yes, there is no air conditioning up here, so we get this.
And bathroom.
This little armoire
Yes.
that was closed and creepy when we first came in. We have, what's our rule with scary
Disney.
places?
Always Disney Channel. And it'll stay on all night, and that's just how it's going to be. And then we come in here. The roof again.
Yep, interesting. We got a little, it's cool. I've never seen this in a hotel room, I'm gonna be honest. So, good for them. And then your standard issue bathroom.
Small and comfy.
Nothing crazy here in room 426. And I like that. Let's keep it that way. So, people are usually interested in this Stanley Hotel stuff. We were just in the area, so we said why not, and life threw us on the 4th floor, so I guess here we are.
We don't need to hype ourselves up.
I don't need those thoughts in my head right now, so we will, I'm sure I'll update you, but we will catch back up with you with some stories about this place tomorrow. So, for now, good night. Good morning, everybody. I just took a shower and woke up, and I'm sure you're wondering how my night went, and I can tell you it was the worst sleep I've ever had. But that was to be expected. Robert, how was your sleep?
I wasn't scared of it.
I think I was, and that's why.
I guess like when I got tired, I was conscious of what was going on and would like look around an extra second before I went to sleep. It wasn't bad. Paiton, I can confirm, had the worst sleep overnight of her life.
We're
It was
tired.
the worst sleep.
We're tired because there was one thing I didn't want to happen. Wake up at 3 a.m. I was okay waking up at 1. I was okay. I woke up at 12, 2, but
Isn't that the witching hour? 3, we were in the clear.
no, 3. I thought 3 is the witching hour.
Oh.
I don't know.
I guess so.
Maybe
We woke
if
up
you
at
guys
3
know,
and
so.
nothing happened.
Yeah. So I slept with one pillow, and then I put the other pillow on top of the other
I
head.
thought you were gonna die.
Why?
Like I'd wake up and your face would just be covered in pillows.
Yeah, I was trying to just
And,
cover
like,
my face.
blankets over your head.
Yep.
So you're gonna suffocate. I was like,
I was, because there's no air conditioning up here, so I was sweating. But let's just say we made it. It's over, and yeah. All right.
Here's Johnny.